So Suuna mpulidde naye tolina ky'oyimbye. But why can't they produce Libya? Why can't they produce good music? These people, like now Suuna I sent him the text. Instead of creating, he just get because if you're not creative in the music, then what else? I can put you another. You want another rap? Music must have content and meaning. That's why we are not selling your music.
Some here, content is music.
So you have another one there. You know, I have been involved with these musicians, but they can't produce music.
So I'm here, the person with the biggest content.
Who? Does he have anything with you?
Yes, content.
Yes, content.
He has been permitted by our chief guest. You will do one song for our chief guests before we go to the next speaker, PSG. Just a minute, DJ. The song is called Stand for Hope.
Hold on, DJ. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I greet you all in your different capacities. This is PSG Gabon, the only man with the widest swag in the nation. Before you move on, won't you back? Before you to the way more honorables and will car anything you do again. Yeah, and clear. I'm going to perform a song that recognizes the friends and persons with disability. Straight up. God bless you all. DJ Chela music or charity. Dance! Give it a dance! Jenna, we love you so much. Thank you so much. Much respect. Jenna, we love you so much. How do you love that song?
Almost.
I wish you only knew.
You are not producing cerebral music.
I'm producing bigger music, more music.
That's my 7 years now.
Yeah, I've not been in the studio for a couple of years due to financial issues. I don't have a job, music is my job. But without supportive device...
For me, music, I'm trying to look for music from you people.
Oh.
I don't see.
Thank you so much. God bless you.
Thank you.
Oh, don't you be Busherman for me supporting her. If you are one machal lutera, umirumeni, utim tech, involving persons with disability in your political matters. Why do you leave us aside? We are winning the Teramo when we go out, you have a kind. We are winning. No, I didn't. You can tell a time on back at that. Give away your dear, Mapenuan. More look at the man. More look at the man. More of that. Mine is very physical, but somebody could be a brain problem. You will think twice about persons with disability. Thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you.
Mbanjulira aba AK Furniture abakugu mukola entebe mu buli design yonna gyoyagala ebitanda ne furniture yenna ow'omulembe atenga muwangazi. Kuba ku namba z'essimu zolaba wansawo ku internet banonye ku AK Furniture oba basange emulago ku 2 opposite Shell ne ku workshop yawe esangibwa ku Sapolo Kagwa Road mu Kampala. Kuba ku namba z'essimu zolaba wansawo ku internet banonye ku AK Furniture oba basange emulago ku 2 opposite Shell ne ku workshop yawe esangibwa ku Sapolo Kagwa Road mu Kampala.
Peter Ali Moses. Marketing manager wa Tete Business Solutions. We deal in printing, branding, and general supplies. Tukola signages, tukola corporate wear uniforms, n'ebintu bingi. Bino byonna bye mulaba mu dduuka. Zino samples. Buli kyolaba kyonna tulina stores. Tukola bintu bingi. N'abasinga bamanyi tukola printing and branding only. naye tukola bingi. Tulina departments ezirimu civil engineering, ezirimu installations, mechanical installations n'ebirala. Tuli located at Lighthouse Arcade behind Charm Towers, C12. Era bw'otuuka ku C12 obupande waffe bwonna oba obulaba.
Amannya nze Nsuuga Mustafa, nkola ne Alihira Holdings Uganda Limited. Tuli bakozi ba biodigester wamu n'okuzimba okw'enjawulo. Tuli mu kizimbe kya commercial kwegamba kale arcade mu lulimi olumpimpi. So olwaleero tuli wano eno nga tuli mukola biodigester. Ekyenjawulo ekiriwo nti yo eri mu basement wakati okusinziira nga bulijjo abantu mu kiraba ti eno parking lot. So eri wansi eri parking lot eri mu basement. Leero tukoze size y'abantu 5 ng'era erina capacity okusavinga ekizimbe kino kyonna nga wekinaabeera. Wano eno ng'era emigaso gya bulijjo gya biodigester tebagenda kunuunamu. Atwetaaze ku namba z'essimu 07017669992 ne MTN 0789224230. Enamba ezo zonna kwe ziri ku WhatsApp. Abantu bafadde batulaba mu videos enkadde badde nga batumanyidde Kololo, Prince Charles Drive, naye kati twavaayo twala omukisa guno mbagambe nti nno twavaayo kati twadda ku Grand Imperial Hotel, room 28 first floor. So twavaayo. Enamba zaffe ez'essimu zonna zikyaliko nga bulijjo, just nti twakyusa location.
You need to put your act together to see how you can handle investments, because that's where the problem is. At local government and even at ministerial level, we still have problems of handling investors. So today, I thought my long-time partner, Chairman Mao, would talk about that, because at that time I didn't know as much English as I know today. 96, 97, my English, I had not gone back to school to study. He's the one who wrote with the David Progol there. Because at that time they were the shining stars. All the ideas were coming from them. But for them, I think they were talking to me for a different purpose. Yeah, the Honorable Mao up to now, he still wants to go to that office, the presidency. So they left me to go alone, stay in the bush, but now all my actions are a bit settled now. I have money at the PDM, I have enough equipment at sub-county, which is not working. We have, like Suuna was trying to sing, about 12 industrial parks. Guru, you are the only ones who don't have land. If you get land like tomorrow and encumbered, I now know all the terminologies I can use on the investors so that they come and invest here. So I'm very happy that on this Christmas Eve we have been able to launch this concept, because it is still a concept. Made in Africa, Uganda. Made in Africa, Kenya. Made in Africa, Rwanda. Made in Africa, South Sudan. So that we start evaluating our capacities to industrialize. I thank the organizers who have organized this launch. And I thank everybody who has been invited and you came in to attend yourselves, especially the members of parliament. And then my brothers here, you are most welcome. I don't have much to say except that musicians, I am tired of you. That one I have to repeat on camera. You have taken a lot of time. I have not even had time to meet the NRM people. Can you imagine? Because when it's the morning, I'm meeting Buchaman. The afternoon, I'm meeting Rogadi. In the evening, I'm meeting Manya Odonga Romeo. So when will I work on other Teravira there? Wasting my time. I have told you I have finished with you because I have tried to do as much as possible. So if you want to take the quarrel up to the, I know you're going to abuse me on Twitter, on TikTok. I'm going to be the topic of TikTok today. But at least you first project what you have seen inside there. Because you're wasting my time. You lack organization, you lack cohesion, you lack training. So, fortunately, I have seen your boss, Ragadi. I don't know how he came. He's there. Ragadi, please come. This time you're not leaving these people in Guru. Just because I have no breathing space, and for them their issues are endless, several. And they wanted power. They wanted to capture power at UNCC. We allowed them. They captured power at UPRS. We allowed them. They captured power at NCF. We allowed them. So what are these people doing in Guru? You help me to end this journey because it's not productive at all.
Thank you very much. Some of the musicians that are here, this is work.
No, work. The work people don't beg from me, by the way. No, they have never come to my gate.
Maybe the Kampala people, are the ones that come.
Yes.
But it is just this organization that they created. We have made everything formal. They were informal before. They have associations, they have federations, and the ones who come, they come in piecemeals. So as General said it today, we want to make it very clear because we have leadership. Right from UNCC, NCF, and our work. We're going to make sure, no one is going to disturb us.
So, Omera, there is a new catchword which has which I have developed, which says Rubanga Teguru Tete Tekampala. So our job is to use me. You use me to pick the money from Kampala to bring it to Guru. Every time I try to bring the money, they are cutting the legs and the arms and whatever. So, Rubanga Guru Tente Kampala. So how do we collect all that money from Kampala to Guru? No, walk. You start walking and fight you on the way. Now, with those few remarks, allow me to thank everybody who has come, and I wish you Merry Christmas and a very, very happy New Year. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, our